I'm at the training center, and this is my only fidget. And it's so stretchy and it's just jiggly inside, but it's over there, the training booth, and she has a lot of fidgets. So let's get. How can we trade fidgets? I see you have a lot there. I'm gonna trade you this. Oh, okay, we can trade. But these are a lot of fidgets, and what I'm trading there is that. I don't know what this is, but oh my gosh, it's fun. Is it a fidget? Oh, yes, a fidget, and these are the legendariest fidget of all. I'm gonna skip this because this is my only fidget, so yeah. I'm gonna put this here, a legendary fidget, stretchy, so fun, and amazing to play. I'm gonna show someone going twice, going once, going twice. Here we go! I'm really in front of me, so I want to do this because it is so legendary. So I'll give this Poppet, this pink squishy, and maybe this one, and maybe this fidget. I'm gonna accept. Excuse me, a legendary. So I'm gonna add plus button. You see that? Is that if you're gonna offer? You have to add. Okay. I'm gonna add this big BTS squishy. Let's see if we get all of them. Here. Are you gonna accept right here the button? Can you press it? I want this legendary so bad. Seriously, add. This is all I'm gonna give. This BTS. You have to add because this is legendary and it's so much fun to play. Okay. This dimple. Not this one. This silver, and maybe this Poppet, and this squishy. And accept. Oh wait. This other squishy and this other squishy. I can accept. Is this even a fidget? I put everything here. Okay, but you have to add a container. Are you kidding? Fine. I'll put the BTS here. Wait, the traders. Never mind. Pop it. I have to hurry before they decline. Ooh. I don't even that. Here, I got accept. Okay, accept. I scanned you. That's not legendary. No trade backs. But you scammed me, and these are all my fidget. I want to see if these are legendary. Oh, she told me not. No, she doesn't like these. I don't know which one to play. It's so neon. It's so cool for cheerleaders. Wow, these are so much fun. I think I have a good trade. I'm gonna tell everyone these are legendary. These are just not legendary, but for me, I guess, because this is so much fun to play, and it's so fun to play. Actually, this is my favorite fidget. It's so much fun to play. Okay, I'm just gonna clean this, and everyone's gonna say, what is that new fidget I have? And no one even has this one. Yeah, so, yay! I'm just so sad I have all of my fidgets right there. And now I have these all fidgets, and I'm going to trade some more. Oh look! Oh, here. She has fidgets, and I really want to trade also. Let's go to her. Oh hi, I want to trade. I see not much fidgets. Oh, do you have my fidgets? Like my dream fidgets, my dream fidgets, it's like, I'll tell you. Oh, okay. I'm gonna just go back and are you gonna sit here and wait and play with your fidgets? Oh, okay. I'll do that, and I'll just be waiting for you here. But thank you very much. No problem. I'm gonna go look. Oh my god, that girl has a lot of fidgets. I'm just gonna get the trading board. Oh, hi, can we trade? Because you have like one of my, buy 2 fidgets. Okay, what are you 2 fidgets? There's so trying to play with. But your fidgets are that. And I'm gonna trade you that for, I love this puppet, but I need it for it to trade, but no. I'm gonna trade the squishy and this dimple and maybe this puppy squishy. The sand squishy. But I'm gonna trade for that. Oh, I totally forgot you're gonna trade me that. Actually, it's pretty good. Those are also my true fidgets. Here you go. Here, 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 and here. I'll accept. Here's are your fidgets. Oh, thanks. I really love these because I don't have them yet, and they are my favorite fidgets. So bye. Really nice. Bye. Okay, next. Oh, hi. You're still here? Yeah, and I treat someone because I love this one, and I'm gonna treat you this. Maybe this. So much fun to play. Maybe a dimple because you treat your dimple there. I saw that. As good clicks. Look at this. And maybe a marble in this. Wait, I thought a marble too. That's all my treats. Oh, okay. I'm gonna treat you, of course, your few fidgets. Finally, I love these fidgets. Oh, here you go. I'm gonna put them in your basket. You actually like BTS. This one is this, and this Kaya, and the BTS right there. I'm just gonna trade some fun. I think you trade one there. I really want that cookie. Hi, can we trade? Of course we can. I'm gonna trade this dimple and this silver squishy. I don't trade. You have a lot. Oh, okay. I'll trade you marbles and these fun chests. But you have to add these special marbles and these so much fun fidgets. Okay, fine. I hate pink, so here you go. I'll accept. Oops. Here you go. I'll put them. I'm gonna go back to my friend. Oh, hi. I'm just gonna give this to you for free because you helped me buy my fidgets. Here you go. I know you're a big fan of fidgets and BTS, so I gave that to you, and I'm just gonna give you something. I'm gonna give these to her because these are my favorite foods. I'm gonna give this to her because she doesn't have food. But this is my house, but I'm gonna tell her to come inside. I'm just gonna put this here. I'm just gonna put it here. My good pillow, my Hello Kitty. I have a lot of it. I'm gonna get to my pillow's here. I didn't just a squishmallow. I'll put it there. So, my tells you to come inside. Hey, I didn't have a squishmallow. Come inside. It's very cozy inside. Oh yes, I do have a squishmallow, and thank you for offering me a stay place. I actually live in an orphanage. Oh, not really bad. I have a cough there. You can go inside. I'll go. I have to pick my stuff first. Wow, your house is so much better than mine. There you go. I'll put my squishmallow here. I'm just gonna play with this dimple because it's gonna be my favorite one yet. I love this dimple so much. I think you trade it back because you know that I love this dimple and I'm a BTS video collector. Like this, 2 dimples, and this JK, and this. Yeah, I know that. Just keep it there. Guys, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Love you all.